Imagine a sales funnel like a real-life funnel you use in the kitchen. It's a step-by-step process that turns potential customers into actual buyers. At the wide top part of the funnel, you're trying to make people aware of your product or service. It's like when you first hear about a new recipe or ingredient. As people move down the funnel, they're showing more interest. This is like when you decide to try a recipe and gather all the ingredients. You're not committed yet, but you're getting closer. Now you're at the narrow end of the funnel. This is where people decide to buy. In the kitchen analogy, this is when you're at the checkout with your ingredients. You're committed to making the dish. After someone buys, the process isn't over. It's like cooking the dish and enjoying it. In business terms, this is keeping customers happy, providing good service, and maybe encouraging them to buy again or tell their friends. So, a sales funnel is just a way of understanding how people go from not knowing about your product to becoming happy customers. It's a series of steps to guide them along the way.